Hi students, welcome to NSRI NEET Academy. This is the 10th session of Circle for Senior Inter students. So in this session also we are going to solve some 7 marks questions. So next 7 marks question is show that these points are concyclic points and also find the equation of circle. So concyclic point means 4 or more points passing through the same circle, then that points are called concyclic points. So take it as, so first let us consider let S H comma K be a center of the circle. Center of the circle. Why we are considering center of the circle means the distance from center to these 4 points is equal. So by using the condition SA equal to SB equal to SC, first find the center of the circle H comma K. After getting center we get radius. So by using this center and radius, first find the equation of circle. So after getting equation of circle, the remaining points substitute in that circle equation, we get 0, then the given points are concyclic points. So this is circle. So here given 4 points, that is A1 comma 1 and B minus 6 comma 0 and here C minus 2 comma 2 and D minus 2 comma 8. So this is center S. So out of these 4 points, consider, take it as any 3 points here. So A 1 comma 1, B minus 6 comma 0 and C minus 2 comma 2 and D minus 2 comma 8. So here SA equal to SB is equal to SC. So consider here SA equal to SB. So squaring on both sides, SA square is equal to SB square. Now apply distance formula between SA and SB, we get H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square is equal to H minus of minus 6 plus 6 and K minus 0 whole square. So we get H square plus 1 square 1 minus 2 into H into 1 2H, A square plus B square minus 2AB. Next K square plus 1 square 1 minus 2 into K into 1 minus 2K equal to H square plus 6 square 36, 6 2s are 12 into H, 12H. So K minus 0 square K square. So both sides H square and K square get cancelled. So we get minus 2H minus 2K 1 plus 1 2. Next 36 12H, move this side, we get minus 36 minus 12H equal to 0. So minus 2H minus 12H minus 14H minus 2K minus 34 equal to 0. So take it as common here minus 2. So we get 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, 2 17s are 34. So we get 7H plus K plus 17 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So we are taking SA is equal to SB. So squaring on both sides we get SA square equal to SB square and simplify we get one equation in H and K, that is 7H plus K plus 17 equal to 0. So next SB equal to SC, again squaring on both sides, SB square is equal to SC square. So apply distance formula SB and SC. So H minus of minus 6 plus 6 square and here K minus 0 square is equal to SC. H minus of minus 2 plus 2 square, K minus 2 whole square. So h square plus 6 square 36 plus 6 2 is 12 into h 12h. Next k minus 0 square k square, h square plus 2 square 4, 2 2 is 4 into h 4h plus k square plus 2 square 4 minus 4h. So here also h square k square get cancelled. So 12h plus 36 equal to 4h minus 4k, 4 plus 4 8. So move this side, 12h plus 36 minus 4h plus 4k minus 8 equal to 0. 12 minus 4 8 plus 4k plus 36 minus 8 we get 28 plus 28 equal to 0. So take it as common 4, 4 2 is 8, 4 1 is 4, 4 7 is 28. So we get 2h plus k plus 7 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 2. First here consider SA equal to SB, we get equation 1. Next consider SB is equal to SC, we get another equation in H and K, that is 2h plus k plus 7 equal to 0. Now solving this equation 192. Solving equation 192, we get h comma k. So it is equation 1, 7h plus k plus 17 equal to 0, and this one is 2h plus k plus 7 equal to 0. Now write h k 1. So 1 1, 17 7, 7 2 1 1. Now apply here AD minus BC, h by 7 minus 17, k by 17 2 is 34 minus 49, 1 by 7 minus 2. So h by 7 minus 17 minus 10, k by 34 minus 49 minus 15, 1 by 5. So now h is equal to minus 10 by 5 and k equal to minus 15 by 5. So h is equal to 5 2 is 10, h equal to minus 2 and k equal to minus 3. So we get center of the circle. So h minus 2 and k minus 3. So we get center of the circle. Now find radius. So the distance from S to any point on this circle is equal to radius. So here we get S h comma k equal to minus 2 comma minus 3. Now find radius. So S to A distance is radius. Now apply here distance formula. x2 minus x1, 1 minus of minus 2 plus 2 square, 1 minus of minus 3 plus 3 square, 1 plus 2 3 square 9, 1 plus 3 4 square 16. So root 25 equal to 5. So we get center and radius. Now find equation of circle. After getting equation of circle, we can prove concyclic points. So what is equation of circle? So if we have center and radius, equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h minus of minus 2 plus 2, y minus of minus 3 plus 3 equal to 5 square. So x square plus 2 square plus 4, 2 2 is 4 into x 4x, y square plus 9, 3 2 is 6 into y 6y equal to 25. Now x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y, 9 plus 4 13 minus 25 equal to 0. So we get circle equation is x square plus y square x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 3. So we get circle equation. Now here we have to show that the given points are concyclic points. So already here consider SA equal to SB equal to SC. We have remaining point is D. Now D point substitute in this circle equation, this point satisfying this circle equation, then the given points are concyclic points. Now D minus 2 comma 8 substitute in equation 3. So we get minus 2 square plus 8 square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into 8 minus 12 equal to 0. So minus 2 square 4, 8 square 64, 4 into minus 2 minus 8, 6 into 8 48, minus 12 equal to 0. Right, here 64 plus 48 minus 12. So here D point is minus 2 comma minus 8. So here D point is minus 2 comma minus 8. So this is also minus. So we get 64 plus 4 68, 48 12 60 plus 8 68, this 3 we have minus, so we get minus 68 equal to 0. So plus 68 minus 68 get cancelled, 0 equal to 0, therefore right here given points, so given points are concyclic. So given points are concyclic points. So here given 4 points. So by using 3 points, consider here SA equal to SB equal to SC. So we get 2 equations in H comma K. Solving the 2 equation we get center. So after find radius, after getting radius and center find circle equation. In that circle equation substitute the remaining point, we get 0. The given points are concyclic points. So next question number 5, find the value of C if the points are concyclic. Here directly given points are concyclic, here find the value of C. So let S H comma K be a center of the circle. So here given A 2 comma 0, B 0 comma 1 and C 4 comma 5 and D 0 comma C. So this 4 point concyclic means this 4 points passing through this circle. So this is 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5 and this is 0 comma C. So this is S H comma K. Now the distance from S to A and S to B, S to D and S to C equal. So here SA equal to SB is equal to SC. So consider SA equal to SB, squaring on both sides. SA square is equal to SB square. So apply distance between SA and SB. So H minus 2 whole square plus K minus 0 whole square equal to H minus 0 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square. So H square plus 2 square 4, 2 to the 4 into H 4H, K minus 0 square K square, H minus 0 square H square, K minus 1 square K square plus 1 square, 2 1 the 2 into K 2K. Now H square K square get cancelled. 4 minus 4H 1 it become minus 1, minus 2K become plus 2K. So we get minus 4H plus 2K plus 3 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. Next consider here SB is equal to SC. Again squaring on both sides. SB square is equal to SC square. Now apply distance between SB and SC. So H minus 0 whole square plus K minus 1 whole square is equal to H minus 4 whole square plus K minus 5 whole square. So H minus 0 square H square, K minus 1 square K square plus 1 square 1, 2 into 1 2 into K 2K. h square plus 4 square 16, 4 2s are 8 into h, 8h. Next k square plus 25, 5 2s are 10 into k, 10k. So both side h square k square get cancelled. So we get 1 minus 2k equal to minus 8h minus 10k, 25 plus 16, 41. So move this side. So we get 1 minus 2k plus 8h plus 10k plus 41. So minus 41 equal to 0. So minus 8h become plus 8h, minus 10k become plus 10k, plus 41 become minus 41 equal to 0. So 8h plus 8k, 1 minus 41 minus 40 equal to 0. So take it as common 8 here, h plus k, 8 5s are 40, h plus k minus 5 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. So we get minus 4h plus 2k plus 3 equal to 0. h plus k minus 5 equal to 0. h k 1. So here 2 1, 3 minus 5 minus 4 1, and right here 2 1. Now apply here AD minus BC. Now here h by 2 5s are 10 minus 3 and k by 3 minus 20 and 1 by minus 4 minus 2. So h by minus 13, k by minus 17 and 1 by minus 6. Now h equal to minus 13 by minus 6 and k equal to minus 17 by minus 6. So minus minus get cancelled. h equal to 13 by 6 and k equal to 17 by 6. So we get center of the circle. Now find radius. So we get here sh comma k equal to 13 by 6 comma 17 by 6. Now find radius r is equal to sa. So x2 minus x1 whole square 13 by 6 minus 2 whole square plus 17 by 6 minus 0 whole square. So we get 6 2s are 12, 13 minus 12 1, 1 by 6 whole square plus 17 by 6 whole square. 1 plus 17, 17 square here, 17 square 289 by LCM here 1 by 36 and here also 36. So 289 plus 1, 290. So square root of 290 by 36. So this is our value. So we get center and radius. Now find equation of circle. Right. Equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h 13 by 6, y minus k 17 by 6 and radius r square 290 by 36 whole square. So a minus b whole square here, a square plus b square, 13 by 6 whole square, 13 square is 169, 6 square is 36 minus 2ab, 13 2s are 26 into x, 26x by 6 plus y square plus 17 square 289 by 36 minus 17 2s are 34 into y, 34y by 6 equal to square root get cancelled 290 by 36. So here LCM is 36, so multiply here 36x square 169 minus, so here LCM 36, here we have 6, 6 6 is 36, 6 multiply here 6 6 is 36, 3, 6 2 is 12 plus 3 15, 156 x plus 36 y square 289 minus, here also 6 4 is 24, 6 3 is 18 plus 2 20, 204 y. So whole by 36 equal to 290 by 36. So 36 get cancelled. So 36x square plus 36y square minus 156x 204y plus 169 289 290 move this side become minus 290 equal to 0. So we get circle equation 36x square plus 36y square minus 156x minus 204y, 289 minus 290 we get minus 1, 169 minus 1, 168 equal to 0. So this is our circle equation. So take it as equation number 3. Now we have remaining point is D. Now D point substitute in this equation. So already given here, the given points are concyclic points. So given points are concyclic. So D 0 comma C. Substitute in equation 3. So in place of x substitute 0, in place of y substitute C. So we get 36 into 0 square 36, next 36 c square 156 into 0 0 minus 204 c plus 168 equal to 0. So take it as common here 12, 12 3s are 12 1 the 12, 12 17s are 12 1 the 12, 12 4 is 48 equal to 0. So 12 move that side, it becomes 0. We get 3c square 17c plus 14 equal to 0. So this is in the form of quadratic equation in terms of c. So find your roots. So 3c square 17c we can write as minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 equal to 0. So here take it as common 3c. We get c minus 1, and here also take it as common minus 14, we get c minus 1 equal to 0. So c minus 1 into 3c minus 14 equal to 0. So c minus 1 equal to 0 and 3c minus 14 equal to 0. So we get c equal to 1, and another one is c equal to 14 by 3. So c equal to 1 or 14 by 3. So these are the values of C. So this is important question. So here given 4 points, that 4 points are concyclic points, then find the value of C. So next question 5b. So here also the given points are concyclic, find the value of C. So let S H comma K be a center of the circle. So here given 4 points, A 1 comma 2, B 3 comma minus 4, and C 5 comma minus 6, and D C comma 8. So here SA is equal to SB is equal to SC. So 4 points passing through circle. So this is SH comma K. Right. SA equal to SB, squaring on both sides. SA square is equal to SB square. Now apply distance formula. H minus 1 whole square plus K minus 2 whole square equal to h minus 3 whole square plus k minus of minus 4 plus 4 whole square, sa square sb square. Now apply a minus b whole square, h square plus 1 minus 2h, k square plus 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4 into a k, 4k equal to h square plus 3 square 9, 3 2s are 6, 6 into h 6h plus k square plus 4 square 16 plus 4 2s are 8 into k, 8k. Now both side h square k square get cancelled, we get minus 2h minus 4k plus 5 minus 6h plus 8k, 16 plus 9, 25. So this terms move this side, minus 2h minus 4k plus 5 plus 6h minus 8k minus 25 equal to 0. So minus 2h 6h 4h minus 4k minus 8k minus 12k, 5 minus 25 minus 20 equal to 0. So take it as common 4 here. So we get 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So 4 move that side, we get h minus 3k minus 5 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 1. So next consider SB is equal to SC squaring on both sides. SB square is equal to SC square. Now apply distance formula. H minus 3 square k minus of minus 4 plus equal to SC h minus 5 whole square plus k minus of minus 6 plus 6. So h square 3 square 9, 3 2 is 6 into h 6h plus k square 4 square 16 plus 4 2 is 8 into k, 8k equal to h square plus 5 square 25, 5 2 is 10 into h 10h, k square 6 square 36, 6 2 is 12 into k, 12k. Now here also both side h square k square get cancelled, minus 6h plus 8k, 16 plus 9, 25 equal to minus 10h plus 12k, 25, 36, 61. So move this side, minus 6h plus 8k plus 25 plus 10h minus 12k minus 61 equal to 0. Minus 6h 10h 4h, 8k minus 12k minus 4k, 25 minus 61 we get 36. So take it as common 4 here, h minus k plus 9, 4 9s are 36, we get h minus k plus 9 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 2. So here consider SA equal to SB, we get equation 1, that is h minus 3k minus 5 equal to 0. Next consider SB is equal to SC, we get h minus k plus 9 equal to 0. So here 25 minus 61 we get here minus 36. So here also we get minus 9. So we get equation 192. Now solving equation 192. Solving equation 1 and 2. So it is equation 1, h minus 3k minus 5, and this one is h minus k minus 9 equal to 0. Now write here hk1 minus 3 minus 1 minus 5 minus 9, that 1 1 minus 3 minus 1. So apply here AD minus BC. So we get h by minus 3 into minus 9, 27 minus 5, k by minus 5 plus 9, next 1 by minus 1 plus 3. So h by 22, k by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Now h is equal to 22 by 2, k equal to 4 by 2. So h equal to 11 and k equal to 2. So we get center. h comma k. Now find the radius of the circle. So S h comma k equal to 11 comma 2. Now find radius r is equal to SA. So SA distance is radius. Square root of x2 minus x1, a is 1 comma 2. So x1 y1, x2 minus x1, 1 minus 11 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square, 1 minus 11 minus 10 square 100, 2 minus 2 0 square 0. So square root of 100 is 10. This is r. Now write equation of circle. So we get center and radius. Now find equation of circle. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. X minus h value 11 and y minus k value 2 and r value 10 square. So x square plus 11 square 121, 11 2s are 22 into x 22x, y square plus 2 square 4, 2 2s are 4 into y 4y equal to 10 square 100. Right, x square plus y square 22x minus 4y, 121 plus 4 125 minus 100 equal to 0. Now x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y, 125 minus 100 plus 25 equal to 0. So take it as equation number 3. So here given points are concyclic points. So given points are concyclic. Now here D C comma 8, substitute in equation 3. So in place of x substitute c square, 8 square minus 22 into c, 4 into 8 plus 25 equal to 0. C square 8 square 64 minus 22c, 32 plus 25. So c square minus 22c, 64 plus 28 89 minus 32, 22c plus 9 minus 2 7, 8 minus 3 5, 57 equal to 0. So we get c square minus 22c plus 57 equal to 0. It is in the quadratic equation form in terms of c. So this 22c we can write as minus 19c minus 3c. So here 19 3s are 57. So here also 57 is there, 57 into 1 57. So minus 19 into minus 3 57. So 22c we can write as minus 19 minus 3. Now take it as common c, minus 19, here c minus 19. C into c square minus 19c minus 3c minus into minus plus 19 3 is a 57. So c minus 19 and c minus 3 equal to 0. So c minus 19 equal to 0 and c minus 3 equal to 0. So we get c value 19 and here c value 3. So c values are 19 or 3. So here c equal to 19 or 3 or 3 or 19. So the given points are concyclic points, then the c values are 19 or 3. So today's session is completed. If you have any doubt, call my number. I will clarify your doubts. Take care. Bye bye.